Hey guys, how's it going? This is Gerald with Real Estate Investing Tips for Beginners. So, what I want to talk about today is real estate for beginners, how to start investing now. How to start investing now. So, you are a beginner real estate investor and you have an interest in this thing that you've seen, heard about, saw on social media, saw on TV, whatever the case may be. You have a passion and a desire to go ahead and begin to learn about real estate investing. So, for all of the beginners out there, my advice to you first and foremost is to begin to educate yourself. Oftentimes, what that looks like with a lot of people is they start primarily on social media, right? Go ahead and pick up your smartphone, you go to YouTube or you go to Facebook or whatever the case may be, and you type in real estate investing. Great place to start, right? Go ahead, start typing in real estate investing, and you learn about different aspects of real estate investing. It's a great start. However, it can be very confusing. As you type that search term in, I want you to begin to think about what aspect of real estate investing that most interests you. Now, there are so many different little mini aspects or niche aspects of real estate investing. Everything from wholesaling to fixing and flipping to buying and holding. And so I want you to think about a particular aspect of real estate investing that most interests you. So let's say, for instance, that is fixing and flipping. So you go ahead and you go to YouTube, you type in fixing and flipping, learn all about fixing and flipping. Then after that, after you've done your research and whatnot, what I need you all to do is to take the time to type in real estate investment club near me. Type in real estate investment club near me. What you're going to find, it's either virtual or preferably in person, local real estate investment clubs in your market that you can join up with. I want you to go ahead and take the time to join up with these real estate investment clubs. Why? Because for the most part, everything is there, right? You have new wholesalers, you have seasoned wholesalers, you have fix and flip investors, you have buy and hold investors, you have people that are interested in subject to, you have title reps there, attorneys, agents, brokers, the list goes on and on, private lenders, the list goes on and on. Everybody who's anybody in your specific market is there. This is a perfect hub for a beginning investor. Number one, it gets you out of your comfort zone so you can begin to network with other real estate investors and people much like yourself that are in that local market, where you can begin to uncover some quote unquote hidden gems in the form of networking. And so begin to join up with your local real estate investment club. After that, what you're going to find after networking is you're going to kind of find your groove a little bit. You're going to begin to talk to different people that are at that investment club that actually have off-market deals. But before you do that, what I want you to do is to begin to kind of connect yourself with other fix and flip investors. Begin to connect yourself with them. Begin to network with them. See how they think, what it is they do. Let them know that you would like to go ahead and to check out their next deal or the actual deal that they're working on. Go to the site. Go look at what the contractors are doing. Go and look at what the other individuals that are there, look at what it is they're doing. There may be a broker or an agent there. There may be a contractor there or several contractors there. See what it is they do and how they do it. If the investor is on site, begin to ask them questions, right? So how do you do this? What price point do you focus on? Do you focus on 2-bedroom, 1 baths, or do you focus on 4-bedroom, 3 baths, or how is it that they think? because this is going to give you some insight and some wisdom as to moving on your first deal. As you begin to go ahead and move on your first deal, what you would like to do is ask that fix and flip investor if you can essentially cut them in on your deal that you go ahead and you buy, that you go ahead and you acquire. The reason why you want to go ahead and cut them in on a deal is you want their wisdom. Right? Don't worry about the money that you're going to. I want you to think about not necessarily spending money, but investing money with them. The wisdom and the knowledge and the information that you're going to gain from them is going to be second to none. And what you're essentially doing is you're bringing on a mentor without even really asking them to be a mentor. Some are willing to go ahead and do it, some will not. But as you find these individuals and you essentially bring them in, or they bring you into their space or what have you, you're going to see a lot of different and unique things. You're going to see how much it costs to go ahead and fix up a bathroom or a bedroom. You're going to see how to go ahead and repair and restore foundational issues or roofing issues. You're going to see different things that you would never have seen had you just went about this by yourself. And that's the biggest challenge with real estate investing, especially as a beginner, is many of us, we like to fly solo. We like to do things ourselves. That's just not a wise way of doing things. So begin to network with these individuals. Begin to take on a mentor. That's going to assure you the quickest, shortest way to become successful as a brand new fix and flip investor. Mentorship is huge, especially if it's done with integrity. Okay. You're going to also see from this mentor how they qualify for financing, right? Do they use credit? How do they use credit? How do they use private lending? Should they go ahead and use private lending? How do they go ahead and who do they use for lending? What I'm giving you all is some insight into how to shortcut your successful real estate investing journey as a beginner. Okay. This mentor investor can also go ahead and show you their specific end game. In other words, what do they plan on doing with this property after they go ahead and flip it and they get the resources? Do they just fix and flip, or do they come across deals as well? Do they go ahead and they buy and they hold? And so asking questions along the way is going to be huge. But remember, as you begin this journey online, but now you have it locally, where you're not just gleaming from this particular mentor or whatever, just know that the real shortcut to real estate investing is two things. All right? Finding someone who has been there and done that, like a mentor or a coach, or taking action. You have to take action. So many people want to begin to get involved in different aspects of real estate investing, and they just want to stay at home and do virtual investing. And that works out great for some aspects of real estate investing. However, what you want to do is to become an action taker. Learn to take action. Okay? Learn to, what is it that you're doing or essentially not doing, where you could begin to move the needle forward. Maybe, just maybe, one of the aspects that you're lacking is deal flow. And so, once again, if you are a fix and flip investor, I'm going to give you a little insight and wisdom. One of the places where you can find these under market wholesale deals is the local real estate investment club. This particular mentor, believe it or not, one of the places that many of these mentors, many of these individuals get leads, get strong leads, is when someone that is a wholesaler, someone that acquires a property on contract, takes this property and goes to the local real estate investment club, and they have deals already under contract. And you, as the investor, essentially knows how to go ahead and buy these deals because you have taken the time to acquire a mentor. You know what to buy and how to buy it in a way where that makes sense for your end game. In other words, it makes sense for the ways in which you do real estate investing. The greatest shortcut that I have seen to success when it comes to real estate investing is to find somebody who has already been there and done that. Okay? And they're already doing fixing and flipping. They're already doing buying and holding. They're already doing vacant land investing. They're already doing or have already done these kinds of things to really help to shorten your learning curve when it comes to real estate investing. If anything, take the time to network. What's that old cliche? The old saying is your network equals your net worth. A lot of that is true. So take the time to go ahead and begin to get to know people locally at your local real estate investment club. Okay? No matter what aspect of real estate investing that you are interested in. If you are interested in investing locally, get to know what the local market is doing. And the heartbeat of real estate investing oftentimes is that local real estate investment club. Okay? So, this is Gerald. If y'all found value in this video, please go ahead and take the time to click the like button. Also, share it with family and friends. If you want some additional information on real estate investing, check out the links below. You all take care. Have a great day.